Let's derive the equation of a circle from scratch using the distance formula. We start with a center point C at h, k and a point P at x, y on the circumference. The distance between these 2 points is the radius, r. Recall the distance formula from coordinate geometry. By substituting our points into this formula, we see that r equals the square root of x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared. Squaring both sides gives us the standard form of the circle equation. Now, let's expand this to find the general second-degree form. By expanding the binomial squares and rearranging the terms, we set the equation to 0. To simplify, we replace the constants h and k with g and f, and group the remaining terms into c. This gives us the general equation: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This is the general form of a circle's equation in Cartesian coordinates.